yeah. You're gonna like this one. Now, sometimes it's just the stupidest things.
Versus Team Nigeria. It's going to be a good one. And you also get $20 to Santa Lucia.
Alright. Check this out. Switch for your breaker. It's your horn switch. Turn the power on. Ready? It's funny. I like it. Alright, back at her. Now this is how involved this little switch is. When we were playing with, screwed up. Now if it was my machine, I would have just connected it here. But because it's not my machine, I can't do that. So I gotta take all this out just to get into here and get to the wire, which is right here. Connector buried in there. There was a plate covering this. And then you got the bellow that covers all of that. And you got the floor plate that holds the bellow in. This is how involved this is. I don't know who comes up with this ideas. You know, and you got to take the floor mat out just to get to the bolts for the two-part plate on the bottom here, the floor plate. There's the rubber mat over there. So you got to take all this apart just to get to that. But this is still not as bad as, say, the other side. If this cable for this lever ever breaks on you. Because this here, there's a little cable in here, like a bicycle brake cable. You gotta, same thing, you're gonna take all this off. Take all that off, take this right off. Move it off to the side. Because it's in behind a plate, in behind here. And it goes all the way down below this floor plate into whatever mechanism it is underneath the machine. It is real crazy to work on. So thank goodness I'm not doing that here today. But as you can see, it's just a mess. And very just getting right in here. So that's my secret to this. Hopefully it helps you out. Till next time. Now I got the new one threaded through. I'm not going to put it back there where it was. I'm going to put it forward in here. But the rest of this stuff, it hooks up through here for this. That way, when I have to do this again, I can just access it right there and I don't have to take half of this stuff apart like I did. Nice and easy. Now, before putting the bellow on, make sure you got yourself a piece of mechanics wire, string, rope, whatever, through the hole, all the way down. Just kind of tape it together. That way you can fish this end through the hole again. Okay, and here we go. Now, if you ever had to come back here and do this again, it's here. Right where I think it should be. And all you do, because this is going to be loose now, they're not going to be, you know, zip tied all together all through here in weird places. All you have to do is just take this apart, take your pins out, and then what you want to have to do too is, because this won't fit through this rubber grommet here, so you're going to have to cut that end off, and then just use your string or whatever and pull it through, and then just pull it right through out again up to your point, connect it, and it should be good. And you won't have to take all of this off and all apart and all over the machine, losing screws and whatnot.